Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to make the paper version of my fox mask. You can find the pattern at zetanova.vip. Print page 1 only and measure the box surrounding the key to make sure that it's 2 inches on all sides. If you're making your mask with EVA foam or fabric, then you'll only need to print pages 2 through 6. For this tutorial, we're going to be making the paper mask, so go ahead and print pages 2 through 10. That way, you'll get the left side of the mask already marked on your paper, and it'll be a lot easier to put this together. Cut out all of your pieces, leaving any solid, dashed, or dotted lines. I'll go ahead and arrange my pieces so that you can get a better idea of the layout and how all the pieces are going to come together. Now we get to tape all of these pieces together, matching segments A to A, B to B, and so on. Fold lines are not marked with a letter and number combination. I'm going to go ahead and start by taping the fold line on piece number 1. Squeeze segment A from piece 1 together with segment A from the other piece 1 to get them to line up. And when you tape them, it's going to create a contour along that seam. Tape the fold line on piece 2. When taping seam B together, it's helpful to start in the middle. Continue taping along this seam, working your way from the middle outward. It's helpful to make your tape start and end on the corners where your seam changes angle. We want the print side of our paper to be the inside of the mask. So I'm going to take this point that I'm holding with my right thumb and push on it, converting our convex into a concave. Letter C is also easiest if you start in the middle. Here I have too much tape in the spot where my seam comes together at a corner, so I'm cutting the tape at an angle into that corner so that I can fold the excess tape over 2 different edges. Otherwise, when you try to fold it over, you're going to end up with excess tape sticking out beyond your pattern. I noticed my piece isn't lined up correctly, so I'm going to cut it off with my X-Acto knife and retape it. There is no specific location for the ears to allow you to customize the look of your mask by placing them at different angles or positions on the head. Here you'll see me lining up my ears in a position that I like, and then measuring on one side to ensure that I place the ear on the other side in the exact same location.